Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. I got a really cool piece of technology that I brought up from the depths of the internet. This one seems to be attached particularly to Sikhism. And what you do is you got this little box, got a speaker, you got a board in it. You plug it into the wall, you turn it on, it'll play chants from gurus, I believe. But as a piece of technology, this is really interesting, and I really like the way that these Sikhs have used technology to spread the word about what's going on. Man, I think Christians should be able to do something like this. Imagine selling USB drives of audio of the Bible and whatnot. Geez, you could just put the Bible in one of these things, you turn it on, and basically the idea is you just have passive music going on. But what's really cool is what's on the inside of these things. So first, let me show you how this works. Okay, so here I got it plugged in. We got the volume on the side. If you want to switch tracks, you turn it off, turn it back on, and the next track comes up. So yeah, as a piece of technology, I'm pretty sure I got this for under 20 bucks. I think I got it for about 15, shipped for free, and let's do a teardown on this thing. Let's take a look on the inside and see what we got. So ultimately, it's super simple. We don't have a whole lot going on in here, but what really gets me going in a good way, this is awesome. It all comes from a micro SD card, a 512 megabyte micro SD card, and then it all comes through this little speaker. Now, personally, I'm not the biggest fan of this music because the speaker's too small, and the artists or the gurus get tones that are just don't favor a speaker like this. But man, that is so cool. So you could take this, you're not supposed to get into this, but one could take the memory card out of this and put more MP3s of it. I mean, you could put some classical music on here and just fill the room with classical music. If you had a kid that didn't like to clean his room and wasn't expecting to get a job, you could put some Jordan Peterson on there maybe. Or if you wanted to really tick off a lefty, you could put some Jordan Peterson on there. But what you could do with this is almost endless, and I think it's just so cool. A passive piece of technology here, and it's double cool that it's being used in with a religion, a belief system. I really love the way that they have taken this and used it in such an awesome way. But anyways, let's hack this thing. Let's get some different stuff on this, shall we? So here's the original ad for the unit. I only paid $12.13 with prime shipping. Check that out, folks. You're just supposed to plug it in and away you go. You listen to the music you like, and you can even listen to it outside. It looks really nice. Seriously though, I wonder if the shape of this has something to do with a Punjabi meaning of some sort or other. You can get other things too that automatically have Punjabi fun on them. Now, in one of the pictures there was a tablet looking thing, but I'm not seeing that here. So this is what it looks like when I take the micro SD card out. We got 135 files on here. I almost wonder if this is just somebody's collection that they downloaded over the years. Everything looks like it came from different collections. Like, for example, did this really all need to be in caps? It almost seems like somebody in the Punjab universe just got onto Napster one day and downloaded whatever they could find. Remember Napster back in the day? Yeah, you get some pretty different things and remixes and stuff back in the day. This reminds me of a Napster list. That really takes me back, by the way. So I backed these tunes up, but now I'm going to make my own library. Alright folks, prepare for the ultimate mix. I have more, but the randomization. Oh, that's all you need. Let's try one more time. Yeah, this is good. Got 10 hours on 9 cat. What can I say? This stuff's perfect. I don't need anything else in my life. I don't even need food because I have this. Don't need love. I can throw away my family because I have the 10-hour 9 cat on this little speaker. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool stuff, especially for 12 bucks. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I really want other religions, belief systems, and just whatever to pick up this technology. It is so freaking cool. I can't get over it. And it's so cheap. I can't get over it. Now, I love this little thing, but the only negative thing that I see to it is this little piece right here that hangs down here. So I'm thinking this must actually be a symbol with some meaning of some sort. Otherwise, they wouldn't have this because it's not needed for the unit itself. It's there for decoration. But unfortunately, if you were to plug this in on the top, it would block the bottom plug. But if you had a European type, that wouldn't really matter so much anymore because they're more side to side, I believe. It's just the best. I love it. And that's all, folks. This is Lovable Tech. That's it from me, folks. Not from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will ya? Catch you later.